guys, just a quick update on the E36. I actually dropped the car off at Luxury Auto Body for about a week. I had them paint and install my new side skirts. So as you can see, brand new M3 replica side skirts. I'm not even gonna lie, they're reps, but it looks like the real thing. No one will notice.
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
And here's a quick look on the driver's side. So how they installed it, they put the 2 rivets on the back side. Apparently they put 1, 2, 3 push pins underneath and 1 rivet right there. They even put in a screw underneath these caps just to secure it even more, because the main way that this is attached is polyurethane adhesive. Usually they're drilled in and they use clips, but the clips that came with these side skirts were garbage, so he ended up not using them. Overall, very happy with the install. If you ever need some body work on your car, I recommend Luxury Auto Body. It was actually recommended to me by a few friends, and they definitely lived up to their reputation, so highly recommend. So yeah, I'm gonna get going, do some errands, and I'll give you another quick update later on. Alright guys, so I'm going to be going through a quick walkthrough of my interior since I haven't done that yet. This is a Momo steering wheel. This is actually the only thing that came with the car when I bought it 4 years ago. The car was completely stock except for this, and they trashed the sound system, but in terms of actual mods, this was it. The rest of the car was stock, so this was something that I've never had to deal with. I know I've heard it's a pain in the ass to install steering wheels, so I'm glad I never had to do that. And it's a Momo. Like, this is probably what I would have gotten if I were to get my own steering wheel, so that's that. I got my leather door cards, both sides, with the fake airbag. There's no actual airbag underneath here. The reason why I updated it is obviously it's leather, it's stitched, and my old door cards were just falling apart, so I'm glad I was able to upgrade that. Oh my god, that glare. Can I block it? Yeah. So I got leather rear door cards as well, both sides. They were also falling apart. I'm going to show you some footage of that.
Disgusting!
I got the rear headrests as well, and I also repainted the rear deck black. So yeah, very happy with these rear headrests. I mean, I don't really have rear passengers, but when I do, it's the one thing that they tend to complain about, the lack of headrests. So I'm glad I was able to get that so that my passengers aren't unhappy and uncomfortable in my E36. So this has got to be my favorite thing out of the interior swap, the leather armrest. It's in really good shape. It's a bit dirty right now, but this will wipe off clean. And also it comes with a cup holder finally. I've been living 4 years without a cup holder, but I finally have one now. Albeit it's a kind of a shitty cup holder, but what can you do? I got a coin box, ashtray, and this was actually supposed to be a second cup holder, but it was broken, so I just used it as a little cubby to hold my phone charger and a bunch of other stuff. But yeah, this is actually such an underrated interior piece. Like when you're in traffic or when you're on the highway just cruising, it's just something to put your arm on if you're not shifting. So highly underrated and highly appreciated. I love this thing. I really hope you guys liked the way my side skirts turned out as much as I do. It's definitely one step closer to how I've envisioned the E36 to look like when I picked it up 4.5 years ago. It's definitely not as dramatic of a change as, let's say, slapping a big wing to the back of the car. But the side skirts definitely help give the side profile of the car a much cleaner look. But that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you haven't liked the video already, definitely please do so. I would highly appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about my E36 build, and definitely show me some love on my Instagram at kimchi_36. That's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.